New York City has a reputation for being many things: busy, loud, expensive, but not many would consider it green. Mandy Liu and her team at Anderson Samuel Architects know that buildings are doing just that.
There are a lot of different components that make a building green, and basically following, let's say, the LEED rating system. There are issues like site placement of a building, where you put a building on a site. You try and keep as much open space as you can keep in a building. You try and minimize the building footprint so it has the least impact on the environment that it can. You try and put it in a place where people can use public transportation to get to the building. All those things make a site selection sustainable.
New York City is full of buildings, but over the last several decades, business owners have opted to go green. And these practices have multiple benefits. Green buildings use energy and water more efficiently and contain fewer toxic materials. They also improve indoor and outdoor air quality by increasing water conservation and reducing waste.
In New York alone, buildings account for 80% of the city's carbon dioxide emissions. Iconic landmarks like the Empire State Building have recently been retrofitted to display the highest quality of green infrastructure. Lincoln Center is now 100% wind-powered, and New Yorkers and tourists around the area say they can see how buildings can help preserve the future of our environment.
I think we're exploring all the natural sources more and more, and if we take care of the environment, I think it's a good thing.
My building in New York gets our energy from Texas. So I think if you can find ways to economize, that's the smart thing to do.
If you kind of consider the cost-benefit analysis, like the city as a whole will benefit from it financially.
Mandy Liu says that while it might cost more to go green, in the long run, the energy you're saving will balance out that hefty budget.
Usually if you want to have energy efficient systems, you're putting a lot more money into your systems, but the payback will be better. So, you might spend more money now, but you're going to end up using less energy, and so over the life cycle of the building, you'll be spending less money on gas or whatever energy source you're using.
For CUNY News, I'm Leeor Bronis.